In this video, we want to prove that f of the union of a bunch of sets is equal to the union of f of some sets. So let's first start with defining f as a function mapping x to y, and we're going to let y be an element of f of the union of a bunch of sets. So if y is an element of that, that means there has to be an x that is part of the union of these sets. So x has to be in here since y is in f of that. Okay, so we have y equaling f of x here. And so because x is in the union of all these sets, it has to be in one of those sets. And that x is defined that y is equal to f of x. And because y is equal to f of x, it has to be an element of f of some set a sub I. Because remember, x is defined to be an element of the union of a sub I. So that means x has to be an element of a sub I. So that means y has to be an element of f of a sub I. And because it's an element of one of the f of a sub i's, that means it could also be in the union of that, since f of a sub I is a subset of the union of f of a sub I. And this concludes the proof.